My state Manipur is backward in comparison with other states already, but the disturbance have dragged down the state further. It will take a lot more time to bring the development of Manipur at par with other states of India to fulfill the vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047.
Sri Maharaja Sanajaoba Leishemba.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to participate in the discussion for the working of Ministry of Education. Sir, to ensure 100% good and quality education, our government, led by Sri Narendra Modi ji, has allocated a total outlay of rupees 1,28,650 crores and taken up the following steps to improve our educational sectors. Number one, sir, 50,000 Atal tinkering labs are going to be set up in government schools in the next 5 years to cultivate the spirit of curiosity and innovation and foster a scientific temper among our young students. Number two, broadband connectivity will be provided to all government secondary schools in rural areas of the country under Bharat Net project. Number three, Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme will introduce to provide digital form Indian language book for schools and higher educations, aiming to help the students understand their subject better. Number four, an additional infrastructure will be created in the 5 IITs started after 2014 to facilitate education for 6,500 more students. Total number of students in 23 IITs has increased 100% from 65,000 to 1.35 lakhs in the past 10 years. Number 5, a Center of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence for Education will be set up with a total outlay of rupees 500 crore. 3 centers of AI for agriculture, health and sustainable cities had been announced in 2023. Number 6, rupees 20,000 crores has been allocated to implement private sector-driven research, development and innovation initiative announced in July budget 2024. Number 7, in the next 5 years under the Prime Minister Research Fellowship Scheme, our government will provide 10,000 fellowships for technological research in IITs and IIS with enhanced financial support. Number 8, a Gyan Bharatam mission for survey, documentation and conservation of our manuscript heritage with academic institutions, museums, libraries and private collectors will be undertaken to cover more than 1 crore manuscripts. Number 9, National Center for Excellence for Skilling. Building on the initiative announced in the July 24 budget, 5 National Centers of Excellence for Skilling will be set up with global expertise and a partnership to equip our youths with the skill required for Make for India, Make for the World manufacturing. The partnership will cover curriculums design, trainings of trainers, a skill certification framework and a periodic review. Number 10, educational reform and steps towards innovation. Our government has established a modern education system for our students through National Education Policy 2020. Opportunities for learning in mother tongues are being provided so that no child is deprived of education. Various recruitment examinations are being conducted in 13 Indian languages, eliminating language barrier to enhance ease of doing research and one nation, one subscription scheme, etc. Offering of free access to international research material has been introduced recently. Drone Didi Yojana has been instrumental in empowering our women both economically and technically. Our daughters are flying fighter jets. They are joining the armed forces and the leading corporate companies owing to the bold decisions and the promise to empower Nari Shakti of our Honorable Prime Minister. Our daughters are being admitted to National Military School and the National Defense Academy. This is a matter of pride for this House and the entire country. We all feel proud of our daughters for bringing laurels and medals in the Olympics. In the QS World University Asia rankings, 163 Indian universities have been included. Inaugurations of new Nalanda University campus has revived India's ancient glory in the field of education. Our Rashtrapati has proudly mentioned that the day is not far when an Indian citizen would travel to space abroad with the indigenously developed Gaganyaan spacecraft. The recent success in space docking further paved the way for Bharat to establish its own space station, and for this, our President congratulates ISROs and all the citizens for this achievement. Number 11, the Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 programs provide nutritional supports to more than 8 crore children in aspirational districts and the northeastern regions. Number 12, sir, Viksit Bharat by 2047. Lastly, I would like to express my thankfulness to our Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Education Minister for their meaningful and holistic approach for the development of our nation in the field of education. We all know Viksit Bharat is a campaign for the welfare and inclusive development of our Bharat. By 2047, to achieve this goal, our government has to be more and more considerate for the less developed states of the Northeast region. For example, a 2 years disturbance in an underdeveloped state like Manipur is a real hindrance to development. My state Manipur is backward in comparison with other states already, but the disturbance have dragged down the state further. It will take a lot more time to bring the development of Manipur at par with other states of India. To fulfill the vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047 for educational infrastructure, economic growth, social progress, and environmental sustainability, etc., we have to bring peace and normalcy fast in Manipur. We need a long-lasting and amicable solution of the present crisis in Manipur so that the Viksit Bharat vision is achieved by 2047. Otherwise, the state of Manipur shall be left behind. Sir, with these few points, I conclude my speech on the discussion of working of the Ministry of Education. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद. Shri Santosh Kumar P, 3 minutes.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. It's very difficult even to manage